The International Day of Yoga, IDY, is being celebrated for the 11th consecutive year, with this year's theme being Yoga for One Earth, One Health. This global event aims to promote yoga as a holistic practice that enhances physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. The origins of yoga. In Hindu tradition, Lord Shiva is revered as the Adi Yogi, the first yogi, and the originator of yoga. According to mythology, Shiva imparted the knowledge of yoga to the Saptarishis, 7 sages, who then spread it to humanity. Shiva's teachings emphasize yoga as a path towards self-awareness, inner peace, and connection with the cosmos. What is yoga? Yoga is a practice that combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation to harmonize the body and mind. The word yoga itself comes from Sanskrit and means to join or to unite. Yoga is not just physical exercise, but a holistic approach to well-being that involves mental focus, breathing techniques, and various postures. The benefits of yoga. Yoga offers a wide range of physical and mental health benefits, including stress reduction, improved flexibility and strength, enhanced focus and concentration, managing chronic pain, improving sleep quality, promoting emotional stability. The 5 principles of yoga are: 1. Proper exercise, asana. 2. Proper breathing, pranayama. 3. Proper relaxation, savasana. 4. Proper diet, vegetarian. 5. Positive thinking and meditation, Vedanta and Dhyana. Maharishi Patanjali, the founder of yoga. While yoga existed before him, Maharishi Patanjali is widely regarded as the founder of yoga because he systematized and codified the existing practices and knowledge in his Yoga Sutras. These sutras provide a comprehensive framework for understanding and practicing yoga. Celebrating International Yoga Day 2025. The 11th International Day of Yoga will be celebrated on 21st June 2025, with a mass yoga demonstration based on the Common Yoga Protocol at over 1 lakh locations across India. The national event will be led by the Honorable Prime Minister at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. This collective celebration aims to reaffirm our shared commitment to the timeless practice of yoga and its enduring relevance in today's world. Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga improves strength, flexibility, and balance. It promotes mental peace and emotional balance. Enhances mindfulness and self-awareness for holistic well-being. Vinyas Yoga brings enhanced cardiovascular health, stress reduction, mental focus, balance and coordination, detoxification, weight management and mind-body connection. Bikram Yoga improves flexibility and builds strength. It promotes detoxification through sweating. It enhances mental clarity and reduces stress levels. Kundalini Yoga helps in emotional healing, enhanced intuition, improved physical health, stress resilience, enhances creativity, balances hormones, provides inner peace, helps in better sleep. Iyengar Yoga improves posture and alignment. It enhances both flexibility and strength. The practice reduces stress and enhances mental focus. Iyengar Yoga is therapeutic for various health issues. Ashtanga Yoga benefits include mind-body integration, emotional resilience, spiritual growth, cardiovascular health, detoxification, weight management, improved respiratory function, holistic well-being, increased self-discipline. Yin Yoga. Yin Yoga enhances flexibility and promotes joint health. It reduces stress and induces relaxation. The practice balances energy flow in the body. Yin Yoga fosters mental clarity and mindfulness. Iyengar Yoga benefits include improved immune function, better digestion, pain management, emotional balance, enhanced body awareness, improved circulation, mindfulness and meditation, rejuvenation. Power Yoga. Power Yoga enhances strength, flexibility, and endurance. It supports weight loss and fat burning. The practice reduces stress and promotes mental clarity. Power Yoga improves heart health and lung capacity. International Yoga Day is a celebration of the ancient practice of yoga, which has been passed down through generations. As we mark the 11th year of this global event, let us come together to promote yoga as a way of life and to recognize its benefits for our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being.